The Met Office has issued its verdict following claims snow and sub-zero temperatures will arrive in Scotland in a matter of days. It follows bouts of extreme weather over the last few weeks as Storm Babet caused chaos across large parts of Scotland. The storm resulted in flooding in many areas, with dangerous conditions and tragically deaths as a result of the treacherous weather. And now some forecasters are predicting a cold snap to arrive as soon as next week, with some areas of the UK set to see temperatures plummet as low as 6°C. The final days of October and first few days of November will see an icy blast as mercury dips below zero, according to the British Weather Services, BWS. It comes as parts of Scotland have been issued yellow weather warning for rain, with the alert in place until 6 p.m. on Saturday. A further Met Office rain warning has been issued between 6 a.m. on Sunday through to 11:59 p.m. on Monday. The warnings poses further risk of flooding as persistent and heavy rainfall is expected in areas including Aberdeen, Aberdeenshire, Angus, Dundee and parts of Perth and Kinross just days after these areas battles the dangerous conditions as a result of Storm Babet. Sunday's warning also covers areas such including the Lothians, Edinburgh and the Scottish borders. Regarding the polar snap forecast, Jim Dale, senior meteorologist at BWS, told The Express, there are early indications of colder/polar weather moving in early November, at least temporarily. If it confirms, then snow in the Highlands, Grampians, Southern Uplands, Snowdonia and the Pennine Tops is perfectly possible. However, following rumors of a cold snap and snow showers, the Met Office has issued an update. Spokesperson Gran Madge said, for the remainder of October and into November we expect the Atlantic to continue to be a driving force in the forecast. Typically, this suggests a period of unsettled weather with potential for bouts of wind and rain. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages. In between these spells, it is always possible for a calmer period where slightly cooler conditions can get a brief hold, bringing overnight frosts or lower than average temperatures. He went on, however, there isn't anything in the forecast which suggests a prolonged or much colder than normal period of weather before early November. The Met Office long-range forecast, covering October 31st to November 9th also suggests that temperatures around normal for the time of year are expected across the UK. However, conditions are set to remain unsettled during the opening days of November. The forecast reads, across northern parts initially fairly settled, cloudy and cool with a few light showers, more unsettled conditions will continue across central and southern areas with showers and some rain here. It is looking probable that very unsettled or stormy conditions will become established nationwide in the middle part of next week, with heavy rainfall, strong winds and temperatures close to the seasonal average. Moving into the later part of next week and the second week of November, there are signs of slightly less unsettled or more changeable conditions may become established. During this time some drier and cooler spells with lighter winds will probably be interspersed with periods of rain and showers in some parts. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our daily newsletter.